The next Samsung Galaxy Note 9 flagship phone will undoubtedly be one of the best smartphones on the market after its launch this summer. It will offer impressive performance, lots of power, an elegant design, a magnificent Super AMOLED screen and all the stylus features we've come to love in Samsung's Galaxy Note phones. But it also emerges as one of the most boring smartphones of the year, which is bad news for Samsung and its fans. The Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy S9 Plus are two of the best smartphones on the market as well. But sales have been slow because there are no interesting new features to encourage people to update. In contrast, the S9 series is just an iterative update that looks almost exactly like the phones of the Galaxy S8 series last year. In fact, Galaxy S9 sales have been so slow wireless operators in the US they cut the price of the phone only 1 month after its launch. Unfortunately, it seems we are expecting more of the same from the Galaxy Note 9 that is expected to be released sooner than planned this coming August. It is likely that the phone has features that are almost identical to the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus along with a design that is almost identical to the Galaxy Note 8 of 2017. There was talk of a new and exciting feature that would undoubtedly arouse everyone's interest, but has reportedly been discarded. In an interesting turn of events, Samsung seems to have realized that the Galaxy Note 9 may be doomed to follow the same path as the S9 and S9 Plus, so it has already begun to confirm some of the new functions of the phone.